In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways how to remove a finger heart launcher from an Android mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first way is to find the finger heart launcher and click and hold onto it, and then click into I to go into app info. From here at the bottom of the page, you're going to see an uninstall button. Go in and click on uninstall, and then it'll say finger heart launcher. Do you want to uninstall this app? Click on OK, and that's going to uninstall the launcher from your device. The other way is to go into settings on our mobile device and then scroll down and look for apps. So it's kind of near the bottom of the page. Click on the apps and now do a search for finger heart. Here it is here, finger heart launcher, and click into it. And again, we can scroll down to the bottom of the page and go ahead and click on uninstall, click OK. And now that's going to go ahead and uninstall the finger heart launcher from your mobile device.